She wonders, why do I feel so guilty just for resting? Her shoulders slump, her breath is shallow, and in that moment, she whispers to herself, what if I can't keep going like this? Queen, if that sounds like your story too, you're in the right place. This is SoulTalk Radio, where tired hearts come home and sacred voices rise. I'm Tammy, your Soulful 365 coach, and today we're talking about the thing that so many women fear the most: rest. Not the quick kind, but the soul deep rest your heart is begging for. Let's take this journey together. Before we go deeper, I want you to hear a voice from the SoulTalk Confessional, a space where your truth is safe, even when it feels too heavy to share out loud.
Tammy, I'm so tired. My body is screaming at me to slow down, but I can't. If I stop, everything will fall apart. And the guilt, it's unbearable. I feel like I'm letting everyone down if I even think about resting. I love my family, but I feel like I'm disappearing. How do I rest when life doesn't stop for me?
Queen, I hear you. And I want you to know you're not alone. If you keep pouring from an empty cup, everything you're trying to hold on to, hold together, will eventually fall apart. Not because you failed or failing, but because you never were meant to carry it all on your own. Rest isn't weakness, you know. Rest isn't optional. Rest is sacred. And today, I want to help you take the first steps back to yourself, back home, to release the guilt that you've been holding on to around rest. Let's pause together. Wherever you are, soften your shoulders. Close your eyes if you can. Place your hand gently on your heart. Feel it beating steadily, strong. This is proof you are alive and you deserve to feel alive, not just awake and running. Now, Queen, let's gently explore why rest feels so hard for you and many of us out there. It's not just about your to-do list. There's a deeper part of you that feels out of balance. Let's bring them back together into alignment. Our foundation, the part of you that needs to feel steady and supported. When it feels shaky, it whispers, if I stop, everything will fall apart. That's a scary place to live. So just for this moment, press your feet firmly on the ground. Breathe deep and whisper softly to yourself, I am safe. Life can hold me even when I pause. Now notice the part of you that ties your worth to how much you do. It pushes you to keep going, even when you're in. It can be loud, can it? But here's the truth, Queen. Your value isn't in what you produce. It is in who you are. Place your hands on your stomach and whisper, I am worthy of rest. Even when I'm doing nothing, I am enough. Finally, your heart space, the part of you that loves so deeply, that gives and gives and gives until you feel invincible. When it's worry, it can close off just to survive. Place your hands over your heart again and simply breathe. And say these words to yourself. I love myself enough to rest. My rest is a gift to me and to those I love. Now, Queen, this is how we begin to release the guilt around rest. First, steady your foundation so you feel safe. Then reclaim your power so you know how much you're worth. And finally, soften your heart so you can receive the love and rest you deserve. This isn't selfish, This is sacred. And when you're ready, you're already on your way. When you have a moment tonight, write down this if you can. Where am I doing too much because I'm afraid to let go? And what would it feel like to rest without guilt? And Queen, when you do this, I truly would love to hear from you. If it brings up something in you, even something small, email me or DM me and let me know. Hearing your heart matters to me, and I'd be honored to hold this space for you for discovery. And if you're holding, onto feelings, especially heavy weights right now, remember that you don't have to carry it alone. That's exactly why I created SoulTalk Confessional. That's exactly why this exists. If this is your story and you need a safe space to release the weight you're carrying, call the SoulTalk Confessional. It's anonymous, it's unfiltered, and your voice matters here. With your permission, I'll hold it with sacred care and share a response on a future episode. The link is in the description box, or you can DM me the word SoulTalk, and I'll send you the information over. Till next time, Queens, I want you to know that I see you. I want you to know that I know what it feels like to feel soul tired, but today you took the first step back home to yourself. Your shoulders are softer now. You breathe in deeper. The heaviness you felt when we first started, it's beginning to feel lighter. Your rest is not a luxury, it's healing. And if you're ready to go deeper, DM me the words reset to begin your Soulful Reset coaching session. Until next time, be gentle with your heart. Choose rest like your life depends on it, because it does. Always and always, Queens, choose yourself.